Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, welcome to Marshall NISSAN in Grantham. I'm going to show you this video of the Toyota Auris Hybrid. It's in very nice condition, as you can see. It's got rear parking sensors. It's got a lovely low floor boot. It's got rear privacy glass. It's got rubber overmats in. It's Isofix rear seating. There is 2 keys with it. It's done 42,823 miles. Got Bluetooth. Got navigation. You got heated seats high and low. Go there. Different driving modes. Steering wheel. Push button start. As you can see, it's very nice and clean. Auto dimming interior mirror. Very clean indeed. We don't get many of these in, so if you were interested, please don't hesitate to contact Marshall NISSAN in Grantham. If you'd like some figures, finance figures, we can always give you some figures. But as I said, it is very, very nice, and we get these in very, very rarely. But thank you very much for looking at the Toyota Auris, and thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.